History shows us how powerful trust can be, but sometimes that same trust can be used as a weapon. In the 1840s, the death rate among women giving birth in a hospital in Vienna was extremely high. Doctors didn't know the reason. Some blamed the cold weather. Others believed the mothers were simply too weak. But Ignaz Semmelweis began to doubt these explanations. He started investigating. Soon he noticed something important. Doctors were performing autopsies in the morning and then examining mothers in the maternity ward. And they were doing it without washing their hands. Semmelweis introduced a new rule. Doctors had to wash their hands before touching patients. The results were immediate. The death rate dropped dramatically. But many doctors refused to believe him. The idea that doctors could carry disease felt like an insult. Semmelweis was mocked. He was ignored. And he eventually spent the last years of his life in a mental asylum. But history also shows us that doctors do not always save lives. A century later, a doctor named Michael Swango began attracting suspicion in the United States. Patients who came to the hospital for treatment suddenly became worse. Some of them died for no clear reason. As these suspicious deaths increased, a full investigation was launched. Eventually, the truth was revealed. Swango had been poisoning his patients. While working as a doctor for years, he was responsible for multiple deaths. He was eventually arrested and sentenced to life in prison. Two doctors. One discovered a simple way to save thousands of lives. The other used people's trust to take them. Same profession, but two completely different legacies.